In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change your YouTube Premium payment method. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and type in youtube.com. You will be directed to this page. Now, log in with the YouTube account for which you want to change the payment method. Once logged in, navigate to the U page. Now, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Over here, you're going to find different option. Click on the option Purchases and Membership. Over here, you're going to find your YouTube Premium subscription. Click on Edit, then use the drop-down menu to see available payment methods. Google Play Balance, PayPal, credit or debit card. You can choose from Google Play Balance, PayPal, or add a new debit or credit card. After selecting your new payment option, just save the changes and your next subscription payment will be billed from the new method. And that's it. You have now updated your YouTube Premium payment method in just few easy steps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.